Shamans. Oh, yeah, chrono. Be some rent Ghanaian
Ghanaian from Yam Foreign take a multi more Eastern region. Now, Alaba, teaching Kajatia, Central Market. So, very Rukum Tachimai. Samrama Fwa, with your good bag, Mamu Tonya, your ma will be a quite say on fire movie be renting, and I say on pirating. What shall I you know what you rent? Yeah, the Mr. Mamunda. There's someone like Manny say, move a from Cinema and some of the quality of current producer the Sikaye. Now for rent if you go this kind of money. Then we produce a while. A better than what's in Yasin and Papa, the way you're bearing. Yet two are who bet them. My friend, what's going on? Oh, Mother! Oh, Mother! Mother, you are renting for us. Mother, the family want to sell. The best trusted to every man renting could be nation. Number one, meet me for me on a share. Kadakotika Bada High, and Kadotigana from Kabada High and Kamaka. Aka better in the Kitiki, Kabia, 1 million Ashirin, Koshe Kara Ashirin Zaka Quanta. The Nino will be greater. Mamma the movies my high. No one will hang in your with them. Elamino. Woman look at Ghanaian film by rent here. The police now have a mobile. In Panama. I want to know. Don't make me. Mimi water. To make me. I'll shave you. Thomas production is in the floor. I shall never go my summer showing young. About you, where Minima. Dance of Uncle Beria. Tabura Becca. How she do me? Money. It's a go money. We didn't even see Fuka. Casareso. Mr. Adam. Professional what? What's your Thomas production, I'm on a chow. And there is a but 1 and 2. What do you want from me, huh? What do you want from me? I love you. I don't love you. I hate you. And there is a but 1 and 2. I told Father one catch you after that. And there is a but 1 and 2. Why your father do that? Drop your son that. Why? A wedding invite. Jana funeral, funeral, Ubi Ukraina, Baba Mania. And there is a but 1 and 2. And once in combination, I can't see form. I took on him. You're very soon. Happened to do a Thomas production, Kate and a Cantamanto. I give forms with them.
You promised to be with me forever, but somehow you left me without a trace. I keep searching, but all to no avail. Well, I know one day you'll be mine. Love is a great thing, but love is a dangerous thing. I have waited for too long to love you. And if I cannot have you, no one else will. I'm gonna break through the wall of roses.
Mavis! 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 Maxwell, you're home early. You look worried.
I had an accident.
Huh?
I knocked down a lady with a taxi.
Jesus Christ. Is she dead?
No, she was unconscious when I was leaving the hospital.
Oh, what is all this? You had this taxi not 2 weeks ago. And...
Ma'am, I'll be inside.
Can I get you some food?
No.
Where is the taxi?
Well, it became a police case and the owner was called and he took it. I'm inside. I'm going to the hospital, okay?
Okay, don't keep long. Food will soon be ready.
Maxwell! Don't tell me you are going to the hospital. Because I will not allow you to spend all your money on that girl. You've done enough. And her family have to continue.
Ma, you don't understand.
Understand what?
She has nobody to take care of her. She's alone. Mom, I knocked her down. I need to be responsible. Luckily, the doctors say by today she'll be discharged. Afterwards, I'll be okay.
These responsibilities must stop. And I mean now. You have a family to take care of. Look at your sister. She has to continue her education. You can save all this money you are spending on her.
Jennifer. What are you doing here?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Who is she?
She's the lady in question, the one I knocked down.
My daughter. Don't you have a family to take care of you? Why have you embedded all your problems on my poor son? Is it because he accidentally knocked you down with his taxi?
Ma'am, please stop it. Stop it.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry. I don't mean any harm. I just came to say thank you for all that he has done for me. Maxwell, thank you so much. Not all people will be caring as your son.
Thank you very much. Get off my sight.
Mom, take it easy.
Stop. Hey, Maxwell, come back here. Come back.
I see you, okay?
Mom, what you're doing is not good, Mom.
Give it up.
Sorry for what happened earlier on. I apologize on behalf of my mom. I really didn't expect that to happen.
Max, it's alright. Every mother would do the same. I know she's just protecting you.
But hey, look at where you live. Why did you pretend as if you had nobody to take care of you? And you made me pay all the bills. I see.
I wanted to know how responsible you can be.
Anyway.
I can see you are a staunch Christian.
Yeah.
I want to worship with you. I hope you don't mind.
Of course, we need more followers.
Wow, I'm blessed. My dad is coming. Please come.
So?
Please come. I was playing. Come, please. Please, hurry up. Hurry up, please. Hurry up. Please. Please. It's all right. I'll explain to you. Okay? Please.
Jenny. Yeah.
Hello, Daddy.
Have you heard from your sister?
No, it's over a month that I heard from her.
I see. I see. Well, she called and said she's coming back home this week.
Wow, that's great.
So you need to start preparations, you know? Prepare her room and make sure everything is set. And we have to give her a surprise package.
Wow, that's all right, Daddy. I can't wait to see her. It's been some years, huh?
Yes, 7 solid years.
Yeah.
And somebody's country is on a small.
Wow.
I'm glad she's coming back for good.
Yeah, Dad, I'm more glad than you are. I'm so happy. My only sister.
Yes.
Gosh. Can't wait to see her. Yeah. Dad, should I get you something to drink?
Fine.
Yes. I'll be right back.
Mavis! What's the meaning of this? Huh? Get out.
Why should we get out? He's my visitor and he's not going anywhere.
Slap you if you don't go. Get out. Now get out! Get out!
He's not going anywhere.
Man, I need you.
Are you crazy or something? Why do you have to slap her?
I not slap her. She was kissing that guy over here.
So what? This is none of your business. Since when did you start paying your dues as a man in this house? When you cry, first did you fear? I said, if I tell you quickly. Next time you touch me again, excuse me.
Listen, babies, I'm sorry for what happened earlier today, okay? I didn't mean to push you down.
But I did not like what I saw. Mavis, how? How can you do that? I mean, how can you sell your dignity, your womanhood, your pride, just for what, peanuts? Listen, apart from STDs, babies, bad name, which is not good for this family. Please, I don't want to see this thing ever. Don't even think of hiding it from me. Don't just do it again. It is sin against God, and you know it. When you get inside, genuinely kneel down and pray to God for forgiveness. And please, don't let this happen. Ever. It is not good for you. You're too young.
I'm sorry. It wasn't my fault. Mom told me to do that. You know, we hardly find money to eat these days. That's why. I'm sorry. I won't do that again. It's a promise.
Mavis! What are you doing outside? Do you want him to pollute your mind? Hey! It's late. Come and sleep. Come, sorry. Come inside. Neja ni se munu no. For Benedict. Or your papa try heavy.
Give it to me, baby. I love you. Yeah. Give it to me, baby. Oh. Give it to me, darling. I love you, baby. You're the man. Give it to me, give it to me. Oh yes, just that way I like it. I love it the way you do it. Give it to me, give it to me. Baby, just go ahead, just calm down a little. I love the way you're doing it. I love you, baby. Give it to me, give it to me. Oh yeah. Give it to me. you, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, darling. I love you. Yeah. Give it to me, baby. Oh yeah, Give it to me, darling. I love the way you're doing it. I love you, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh yeah. Give it to me. Love you, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, darling.
Oh my God. Oh, so this is love. I've never felt like this before. I can't believe this. Where do I start? I mean, how do I transform this dream into reality? What about if he rejects me? Or maybe he might have someone in mind. Oh God. Love is so strange.
Hello.
How are you? Well, I'm also fine, thank you. Can we meet at the restaurant at 2 p.m.?
Not today. Let's make it another time, okay?
Why?
Today is not a good day. I'm not in the mood.
Oh, please. There is something important that I want us to discuss.
How about tomorrow?
Please.
Alright. Okay. I'll see you.
Alright, I'll see you then. Bye. Yes! Oh. Wow.
Maxwell, please eat your food. It will get cold.
I don't have the appetite. How can I eat when my family cannot afford a square meal a day? Jennifer, now my kid sister has to even sleep with a man to get money to feed the household.
This is serious. Has it come to that?
It's terrible. I don't know what to do, where to go, who can help me. I don't know whether you can help me. I just don't know anything.
Max, don't worry. I will help you. Okay? Just promise me that you are not going to leave my life, no matter what. And that our friendship will last and last till eternity. Eternity.
Of course I will. I do promise.
You promise?
What are friends for?
Thank you. Come on, eat your food. We are late for rehearsals. Okay? Eat.
If you don't mind, I would rather let them just pack it for me to go and give them the answer. I can eat.
Max, I will get your sister a job. Because her case needs a serious attention. Okay, so you eat. I'll get her a job as soon as possible. Come on, eat. Hmm? Come on. Hmm?
Thank you.
Eat. You like it? Hello, Maxwell.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine.
Oh, okay. I brought you some stuffs. Yeah. Here you are.
Okay.
Hey, Mavis.
Mavis, come and help. You brought toilet too.
Yes, come on. All for you. Yeah, I brought you some biscuits. Thank you. You're welcome. Hello, mommy.
Maybe it's get a chest.
No, it's okay. I'm already late for work. Okay, so I won't sit.
All right, then,
Yeah.
Ma'am, would you please just thank her on our behalf for all this?
Oh, my daughter, thank you very much. May God bless you.
You're welcome,
You look pretty.
Thank you.
Auntie Jenny, I like your dress.
Thank you, my dear. You're also looking beautiful.
Jennifer, let's go.
Okay. I'll see you, Mom.
Okay, bye-bye.
All right. Thank you very much. You're late.
Yeah, I know.
So get going. Come on.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
I will.
Okay. I'll see you soon.
Max.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this not the girl you accidentally knocked down with your taxi?
Yes.
Why such sudden change? Where does she work?
Well, she's not told me anything. But it's apparent she comes from a rich family, so that explains this.
Hey. We are like you. I can see love in her eyes.
Ma.
I swear.
Ma, you need to change your spectacles.
Oh.
You can't see.
That's the way you say, Dr. Nedimami. You want to be clean.
That lady there is a staunch Christian. We have nothing to do with her. We are just friends, okay?
Love. Don't they? Who marry?
Mom, she's a prayer warrior.
Oh, me.
Brother, I think Mom is right. I feel the same thing.
Shut up over there. What do you know about love? Or is it because... Oh, okay, so you have started kissing around, so you think that is love. Get up and go and pack all those stuffs.
Sorry.
Rubbish. And start praying.
Also, Tinasi, let you make an. Really loves you.
Ma, we are friends. She's a chorister. I am too. Come on, please.
Come on, come on, assassination. Oh, troll again.
Oh my God. Why am I killing myself? Why can't I tell him my feelings about him? Please, Heavenly Father, gather me the strength and courage to do this.
Sorry. Ow, Max.
I brought you here to tell you something very, very important.
Okay, so tell me.
Well, it's about my
Jennifer, I don't want suspense. What is it about?
It's about my it's about my father. I told him about your condition and he said he's accepted to give you some money to start something.
Wow, that's interesting. I mean, that's good news. I mean, why were you finding it difficult to tell me?
I thought you wouldn't like it.
Who wouldn't like it? No, I'm happy, I'm good. I thank you. I thank you. Listen, I appreciate everything you've done for me. You've helped me so much. Money, food, foodstuffs, my mom. I can't help it but say thank you. Thank you very much.
You know, as friends, that's all I can do. It's the best I can do for us.
So how did you manage to tell your father, because he doesn't even know me?
I have to lie.
You lied?
Yes, it's something I've never done in my life before. But with you, I have to do it.
I see.
Why aren't you happy?
I am happy, I'm good, but why would you, I
Hold your breath, my king. Yeah, you know, as Christians, we have to be there for each other. The Bible says we should be each other's brother's keeper. And I can't be happy whilst I see you roaming about sadly. Listen, if I've offended you in any way, my dear, I'm sorry.
I'm alright, I'm cool.
Just that I can't reverse my action.
I understand, so let's drink to your father's help. Come on. Cheers.
Yeah.
So, how much are we expecting?
Any amount that you want.
Any amount. We'll talk about that one later.
Yeah. I'm sure your sister will be so excited to see you. Can you believe that she couldn't sleep yesterday?
What? I can't wait to see her myself. Has she changed?
Yeah, she's floating, you know. She's been taking it too much this time. But well, she's not the little girl you used to know. She's now a big girl. I'm so happy you are back. There's no place like home. You can't stay in somebody's country for the rest of your life. Right? It's a good decision that you're coming back home for good. Since I lost your mother, I have been alone. I take solace in both of you. And now that you're back, my dreams will have to be fulfilled. I have special plans for you too. And I hope you both don't disappoint me.
Of course not. Dad?
Yeah.
Wow. Ghana has really changed.
Really? You haven't seen it yet. Just wait. Jenny will be taking you out soon and you will not believe what you will see.
Great. I'm impressed. Very impressed.
Ghana is really the gateway to Africa. How was the feelings of your friends when you told them you were coming for good?
My dad didn't sad. They wish they could come along, but most of them are working, so they couldn't come.
Oh, okay. You know, it's not good to stay in somebody's country for the rest of your life.
I'm impressed. Wow.
Yeah, that's why we all need to come and contribute our quota to build our nation. There's no way somebody can do it for us.
It's so amazing how foolish and coward I've been. How did I ever have to let him live without expressing my feelings to him? This is the second time I've let him slip away. Oh God! What at all is stopping me from my freedom? No! I need a stand. I need the valor to barge further. Oh, Maxwell. I love you. I love you so, so much.
Love is a great thing, but love is a dangerous thing. I have waited for too long to love you. And if I cannot have you, no one else will. I'm gonna break.
Oh, Maxwell. I love you. I love you so, so much.
Great thing, but love is a dangerous thing. I have waited for too long to love you. And if I cannot have you, no one else will. I'm gonna break through the wall of roses.
You're looking good.
Wow,
looking
thank
great.
you. Gosh, you are looking splendid. Oh. Wow. Oh, I've missed you so much.
Miss you too.
Hey, that's all right. Let's get in. Let's get in.
Dad, she's looking so beautiful.
Yes, let's get in.
Wow.
Yes, help her with the luggage.
Yes, that's wow. Okay. Oh, it's quite heavy.
Let me help you. I'll help you.
Okay.
Let me help you.
Okay. Wow, I've missed you so much.
You can't
You're
imagine.
looking good.
Yeah, America's good.
Wow.
Looking good.
Thank you, my dear.
Dad, I think it's best if I stay here and invest in the business. I'm tired of staying away from home.
Yeah. That's good, my daughter. There's no place like home. You can invest in any business here in Ghana, provided you have the capital. and you reap everything.
Daddy, it doesn't mean you're not taking me abroad anymore.
You just heard your sister. You'll be visiting there once in a while for holidays.
Okay.
That's right. I think you should help me with my boutique.
You have a boutique?
Yes. I've been investing in that boutique before coming home. And it will be open tomorrow. Sorry for not telling you.
It's alright.
I think that was a very good decision you took, and I'm proud of you. I can see you have something special for this family.
Dad, what about me?
Look, my dear, I'm so proud of you for your real essence and pride of womanhood, okay?
Wait. Are you saying she's a virgin? You're still a virgin? Are you kidding me?
It's true. For that, I'm sure. I mean, I've been trying so hard to endure it to late. Although sometimes I have this funny feeling, but... Come on, stop it. Oh, that is yesterday.
No, she can do that. Trust my girl.
Well, I'm happy for you. I just pray that you're gonna hold it till...
Mama. What is it? What is it?
There's nothing wrong, come on.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guess.
Guess what?
I know you should guess.
Okay, you got a wife for me?
Hell no.
Okay, so you got married?
No, you're not married.
Okay, you got some admission to some school I don't know of?
Not yet.
Hey, I'm not in the right frame of mind to do guessing games here. What is it?
Okay, I'll tell you. At long last, God has answered my prayers.
Oh, so you pray?
Yeah, I do.
Just to make it a day, I say we pray. So which of your prayer requests has God answered?
I've got a job.
You don't mean it.
It's true, I've got a job.
I mean, to do what and where?
To work in the boutique. I'm gonna look nice these days.
So when do you start?
Monday.
That's good to know. I mean, hey, God has answered your prayers. I'm happy for you. I mean, it's good to know that. I'm sure my requests are still in the queue. One day, hey, God bless. He will answer mine. I wonder why. It's been too long. I've always been praying, worshiping Him genuinely. Yet it looks as if everything I ask is in vain.
Max, please don't talk like that. Never lose hope. At least you should be happy for me. If I have, you have. I know very soon God will answer your prayers. And you'll also be happy.
Okay.
So can you smile for me now?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Anyway, that's good. I mean, hey, you're working now, you can be very focused, and you should learn how to save. And for instance, school is your next project, so we will help. Okay? I'm happy for you.
No, for us.
Okay. What's up, G?
I'll be inside.
Okay, baby.
Take care of yourself.
I'll join you soon.
Okay. Mom!
Oh,
Open this shop in the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Ghost. Amen.
Amen.
and gentlemen, all pop the champagne and celebrate the opening of this wonderful handiwork of my sweet daughter.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm so happy that my daughter, Sylvia, got this vision when she was in the States. And by the grace of God, she's been able to open this nice boutique. Our prayer is that she'll mix it so that family will grow from strength.
Amen.
So let us drink to the head of this shop and my family. Hip, 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 hip. Hooray!
Dad, you're sleeping. Dad!
Yeah.
Dada!
Tired, really tired.
You've been driving us all the time. Drive us the whole day to work and back. You need a driver.
Yes, Dad, I think Sylvia is right. You need a driver to take care of you. Run your errands.
Alright, let's look for one.
Okay. Dad!
Girls, I have to go to bed. I'm tired. Really
Why are you
tired.
like this sometimes?
He's sleeping. Can you see that?
Oh, stop it.
I'll finish your drink and then go to bed.
Please, I'm late. I have to go to work.
Today is Saturday. Are you going to work?
Yeah, it's a new boutique. And you know, most people shops on Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you something. What's going on between you and Sister Jennifer?
No way. There's nothing going on.
Are you sure?
Listen, she's actually coming here later today, okay?
Because it's been quite long. I saw you two together. I'm worried. That's all.
Jenny is coming here today.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Be fast, or else I'll leave it and go.
And who is asking the questions? Okay. Bring hurry up and let me finish with the what's up.
Welcome. Thank you. How are sales? Excellent. Are you serious?
Yeah.
The jeans, there were 4.
Yeah, the bottom one is there.
How many clothes are in the new stock?
I checked. It was 300.
Okay. Good. Alright, let me have the cashier book. Now for my glasses. Okay, I'll check you when I come
I'll give you a day off. Close on me today, alright?
Take care.
Okay, bye. Let me go. Thanks.
Hello, Maxwell.
Hey. You?
I'm good. Come on. Well, it's
You're
been a
welcome.
long time. Thank you.
Should we get in?
No. Let's sit outside. I won't be long. Okay?
So how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm getting there.
Well, I'm so sorry. I've been very busy this week. Have you been attending rehearsals?
Of course, and everybody's been asking of you. There's nobody to sing the lead parts, and Sandra, she can't pair with me.
She can't.
So you're hanging in there. Okay.
Anyway, I'm so sorry. But I've gotten you a job.
Which one?
Well, my father is looking for a personal driver. And I think you are the right person to fill that vacuum.
Jennifer. Me, driver.
Yes, but you can drive.
Am I the only driver in town?
No, just that I want you closer to me.
We are already close, aren't we?
Yes, but more closer than before.
Listen, I don't get you. Initially, you didn't even want me to meet your father. Now you want me to be driving him around? What are you trying to imply?
Max, you don't really understand. I did that for a reason.
What reason? What is there that you can't tell me, Jennifer? We've known each other for how long that you want to hide something from me? Eh?
Max, listen. There is nothing hidden in me. Okay? Anyway, if I've offended you, I'm so sorry. Okay? You know, it's my dream to always see you happy. Just that I don't have the strength to do that. But I know with time, you understand my actions. Okay? Hey, Beauty. Hi, Mom. Hi, sweetheart. What is all these clutter, Max? Why can't the two of you express your love in a peaceful cooperation? Sweetheart, how are you? I'm fine, Mom, and you? I'm also fine. Now, listen. Wherever your heart is, just go for it.
Ma, it is not what you think.
Then what is it?
You leave us alone.
Oh, give it. I don't know, but I like your mom. Your mom is so lovely.
Yeah, she's lovely because you bring her what? Toilet roll, rice,
No.
eggs.
I do all those things because of you. Just for you. Okay? Sure.
Mavis.
Welcome, stay.
Take this. What's wrong?
There is this fellow that I want to help. He's been worrying me all day to secure him a job. And then I told him about Daddy wanting a driver since he can drive. But he's simply refusing the offer.
You're always worrying. You're always worrying over trivial issues. This guy, whoever you're talking about, wanting a job, doesn't want your job. So why are you quarreling over this thing?
You don't understand. He's my church member. And I don't want this opportunity to slip by him.
There are so many people in the streets who need this job, who need this opportunity, and here you are.
Sylvia, listen. This is a special friend I'm talking about here. When he gets the job, at least I'll be sound. Anyway, how it sells?
Anyway, every day I think about worrying about people's jobs and jobs and jobs. Babies, come. Give me the cashier book, okay? Everything's fine.
Mother, I don't see your problem. You've known each other for long. And I don't think she has anything bad against you.
Would you shut up over there?
She will not. For how long are you going to stay in this house without a job? Do you really think of us? How we survive? You have a big head with no brain. Utikoto! I didn't say brain.
Ma'am, I am not going to take any insult from anybody. The fact that I am not working doesn't make me useless.
Hey, Adam, Trodo, we are useless. We are useless. All you seek for is your own selfish interest.
Mom,
Hey,
it's all right. Please take it easy.
now you listen and listen good. If you are not going to secure that job, you will cease to live in this house. I swear.
Mom. Mom.
Me, I swear.
It's okay. Everything will be fine. Please take it easy. She's just joking.
I've been thinking about what I'm going to tell you for some time now, and I believe I have taken a very good decision. I had wanted Jenny to take over my company because you were outside and nobody knew when you were coming. But now that you are back, I want you to take over the company for the family.
Dad, I want to be self-dependent. I love my business. I love my boutique. Why don't you just give Jenny the chance to do that?
Yeah, I agree. But you are the senior girl, and by tradition, you are supposed to take over for me. So you have 1 month to gather yourself to take over the directorship of the company.
Oh, Dad, I think 1 month is too short for her to understudy the operations. Please give her more time.
Don't worry. I'll be there to guide her. And I know you'll make it. Hmm?
You director.
Thank you, Dad. I'm honored.
Yeah, then I will advise Jenny, you must also get yourself ready to take over your sister's business. It's important. If you're able to run it very well, it will be for your own benefit. Okay?
Oh, Dad, it's a great idea. I am married.
One more thing, Sylvia. It's important you settle down with a responsible man.
Dad, settling down is last in my mind right now. I want to stay focused on my job.
Yeah, it's very important for that decision because you are a woman and you need a very strong man to support you.
What?
That she eats too much.
Come on, I hate that.
I'll be in the kitchen.
Stop it. Dad, you see, I don't like that.
You hate me.
I don't hate you. Come on.
You do.
Why would I hate you, Jenny? You are a Christian sister. You shouldn't be thinking about that. You know very well in your heart I can never hate you.
You are avoiding me by refusing the offer that I gave you. And for that matter, you hate me.
Point of correction. You are far away from the truth. I believe you are hiding something from me, and until you tell me, I will never take that offer.
What do you want to know?
I don't know. What's on your mind?
What do you want me to tell you?
What you are hiding from me. And Jenny, I care about you.
So, apart from care, what else do you have for me?
What else do you want? I will always be there for you.
Love is a great thing, but love is a dangerous thing. I have waited for too long to love you. And if I cannot have you, no one else will. I'm gonna break through the wall of roses.
I'm off to work. This is all I have now. Okay, let me use this. Fantastic. You have this.
Thank you.
I'll see you in the evening.
Maxwell, your cup is full. You are leaving this house this very minute. What's the one who you can always say you do? Huh? Misheda na metita wa say this kabema. When your mama says ube to fiane.
What's wrong if my junior sister gives me money? What's wrong?
Sana was here. Snatch up my drop, and no would it? Me and see side down. Oh, mom, see that I will do. And I'm going at what?
Hey, what's wrong with you? Come on, you look jaded. What's up? What's wrong?
It's about the guy I told you about.
Who? The driver?
Yes.
What about the driver?
I feel this pain anytime I think about him refusing the job I'm trying to offer him.
So why keep worrying? Why are you worrying?
Because I...
Wait. There is more to it than I know, right?
No, I just want to help him.
Oh, girl, you're in love with him. Let me look at your face. Come on, you're in love.
Sylvia, you don't understand.
Okay, then make me understand.
But the point is, he's not proposed to me.
He's not proposed?
Yeah.
So why are you not telling him what you feel for him? Why are you not making your intentions known to him?
Sylvia, I've done all things humanly possible to make him understand how I feel about him. But he's deaf in reasoning.
You're also deaf in pushing.
You know, push.
Listen, I'm scared that when I approach him, he will turn me down. Besides, he's a staunch Christian.
But I thought you also a staunch Christian.
Yeah, but I can't just control the feeling I have for him.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna help you get him.
Are you serious? Yeah. Come on. You give me all the techniques, the skills, the tactics, the procedures to get him?
Yes.
So I can grab him?
Yes!
Wow, I believe you, big sis.
Good. Now
okay, what do I have to do?
Here, take it. Where? Take a shake.
I should?
Yes. Give me some pushing. Let me see.
Some pushing? I mean, how to walk to him?
Yeah.
It's gonna work?
Yes.
Okay. Should I start?
Let me see it. Push.
You're crazy. Anyway, I'll be right back, yeah?
Push.
Oh, come on. You're crazy.
Oh, God.
That's not fair. You are a mother, shouldn't have done that. I have no remorse in my actions at all. I hate children who don't listen to advice. He is just like your father. So mean and selfish. Better still, you shouldn't have done that. You should have thought of his safety. How can you allow my son to move out from the house where you don't know where he's going to? Mom, please, I need to find him and bring him back. Or else I'll follow him to wherever he's going to. You are a liar. You can't bring him back. I will. You can't. I will. You can't. I will disown you. I'm going to bring him back to this. I will disown you. Oh, I will leave. Oh, leave. You can't. Mom, what you're doing is not good. What you're doing is not good. Mom, Mavis. Mom, no. Why are you shouting? I said, Mom, please calm down, Tempest, okay? What's the problem? Anyway, where is your brother? Auntie Jenny, would you believe that Mom asked Maxwell to pack from the house? He called me. I came to ask her. She started fighting with me. What? Mom, why did you send him packing? Why do you... So, where can I locate him? I don't know. She'll be in the best position to tell you. Mom, please talk to me. I mean, what's going on? Please, what did he do? Mom! 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 Oh my God! My God! What's going on here at all? Can somebody explain to me? What do I do now? Where do I find him? Oh God, I pray that you protect him wherever he is. I can afford to lose him.
That was too bad, man. That was too bad.
That's the story, man. You have to help me. I don't have anywhere to go.
Well, I can accommodate you for some time. My wife just left for her mom's place for delivery, and I'm expecting her back in about 3 months' time.
3 months is okay. I mean, I'm sure within 3 months I would have gotten a job and, you know, a place of my own. I'm fine with that. Eddie, thank you.
Whoa, what are you doing here? Come on.
Hey, let's go. You have to do me this favor.
Yeah?
Don't tell anybody. Not even my family that I'm here. Please.
That's right.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go inside.
What did you say really happened?
I went to his house to meet his absence. He's packed out from the house.
And nobody knows where he's gone to?
No, I've combed round everywhere. I've been to all his friends, but to no avail.
Listen, I'm very sure you're going to find him, okay? Trust me, you'll definitely find him.
Baby, you don't understand. He's the love of my life. I can't stop thinking about him. I love him. How can he live without letting me know where he's going to?
There must be a reason to why he did that, okay? There must surely be a reason to why he left without letting you know. And I'm very sure you're going to find him one of these days, okay? Think positive.
I swear to God, if I don't find him, I'll kill myself! I'll kill myself!
You crazy girl? You're gonna kill yourself? No, I don't think so. That's too outrageous, okay? You're going to find him very soon, so please stop thinking suicidal, alright? You're scaring me. I don't want my sister dying right now, okay? Alright? Let's go. You're going to find him. Stop crying. You're making me feel uncomfortable. Let's go. You'll find him. I'll help you find him. Alright? Okay?
I put it right there, made it easy for you to get to. Now you wanna act like you don't know what to do. After I done everything that you asked me, grabbed you, find you, like to, try to move so fast, baby. Now I can't find you. Ooh, I'm starting to move.
It's a 1 hour, 2 hours because
It's a good way.
that's a me
If
brain.
you are here, not to know or fight to say, we're going to go to Jamawa.
So, break a can and German to know what I'm half of
But so this is Sabri, but this is any panel to buy the other. It's a very answer on who to buy.
my dear.
And where do you be asking? You're not raising the air, you say the German. Be understand.
If I had someone say a station on the other side. Okay, that's why.
You understand the facts that I'm trying to give to you. You're moving so slow like you just don't have a clue.
Sylvia, you've been searching for him for some time now. Are you sure we will find him?
Very sure we're going to find him. Don't worry, okay? We're definitely going to find him.
Are you sure?
Yes. Positive.
Can someone tell me what is happening here? Jenny, for 3 days now, I have been observing you. You are not yourself. What is the problem?
Dad, it's nothing. It's nothing complicated. She's not been well, but she's okay now. She's better.
Are you sure you're alright?
Yeah, Dad, I have a slight headache, but I'll be fine.
Sorry about that. Anyway, Sylvia, I came to inform you that you have to organize yourself and move into your new home built for you, specially.
Thank you so much, Dad.
You commence work from there on Monday.
Okay, great. Thanks.
And you, Jenny, you must get yourself ready to take over your sister's boutique. Or if you're able to take good care of it, it becomes yours forever. Alright? You okay? Okay, good night.
Thank you, Daddy.
And don't hesitate to let me know if you have any problem. My desire has always been to make you happy. Okay?
Okay, Dad.
Good night.
Good night. See, the last thing I was expecting was for Dad to see me like this.
Come on, sister. You know what I'm going through. You have no idea.
Obviously, I'm told you not to worry. I hate seeing you like this. It worries me. Whoever I am, is he the one that I'm going to see by me?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Once again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome to this short meeting. I'm here to introduce to you your new managing director of this company. She is my daughter. She holds a degree in business administration and management. For 7 years, she's been in the US. And now she's back for good. And she's taking over from me. And I expect that you give her the necessary cooperation and assistance that she may need from time to time. Sylvia, this is the departmental heads. Mrs. Duffer is not here.
She's always running late.
Sylvia, your workers.
Thank you, Dad. I'm highly honored to take my father's place in this company, and I hope we're all going to coordinate as one to continue his legacy. Thank you.
Well, in my capacity as the general manager, I want to formally welcome you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Any comment or question?
No, sir.
As tradition demands, let's welcome her with some drinks. So, we're short cocktail. Kissing. Serve us some drinks, let's welcome her to the company.
Sure. Shall we all move to the table, please? But since you are joining us for the first time, can you do us the honors, please?
All right. Okay, can you help me open it?
Sure.
Can everybody grab a glass?
That's nice. Weren't you informed that we're going to have a meeting this morning?
I'm sorry, sir.
Cheers. You can't help yourself. Are you okay? This is Eva, secretary.
Hi.
And then Mr. Johnson. Head of finance department. Mrs. Domfer. She's been in this company for over 17 years. A very hardworking woman. This is my daughter, Sylvia. She's taken over from me as the main director of this company.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
And this is Eddie. Very strong man in the company. And this is yes, and let's check if he was also in the States for so many years. He joined this company 15 years ago, right? Yeah, she's a very hard-working gentleman. I trust him so much. I have a lot of confidence in him. He's called Kinsley, the general manager of the company. And I expect that you give her the necessary assistance. Sure. Around this group. Pleasure to meet you.
Likewise.
Yeah, that's good. Now, where is the time?
Yes, sir.
But somehow you left me without a trace. I keep searching, but all to no avail. Well, I know one day you'll be mine. You promised to be with me forever. But somehow you left me without a trace. I keep searching, but all to no avail. Well, I know one day you'll be mine.
So you've still not heard from your brother?
No, sister. Not a single clue of his whereabouts. We've searched everywhere, but still to no avail.
This behavior of your brother is drowning me down to my grave each passing day. Please, I beg you in the name of God, please try and find your brother for me. Tell him that I love him and I care about him. He's the one I've been thinking about all this while. Please.
Please take it easy. I know very soon you're going to find Maxwell. I'll keep searching.
Good.
Please. Please, take it easy, please. Let's go have a seat. You want me to cry?
You promised to be with me forever, but somehow you left me without a trace. I keep searching, oh searching, but all to no avail. Well, I know one day you'll be mine.
Sure, I'm very sure you're gonna find my soul back. Please take it easy. Please.
Love is a dangerous thing. I have waited for too long to love you. And if I cannot have you, no one else will. I'm gonna break through the wall of roses. Love is a great thing, but love is a dangerous thing. I have waited for too long to love you. And if I cannot have you, no one else will. I'm gonna break through the wall of roses. I'm gonna break through the wall of roses. I'm gonna break through the wall of roses.
Hey!
Hey, Maxie!
Right on time!
Wadata!
Nakenke!
I said it.
Tell her, bring a chair,
Bro. Oh boy.
How was work?
Hectic, man. Ha! You know, we had a meeting with the chairman and he's considering a reshuffle.
Wow.
He's planning handing the company over to his daughter who is just returned from the States.
Huh? Some are always blessed. When are we going to get such opportunities?
It's too late, man. It's too late for you to forget. But you know what? I thought it wise you put in an application as a personal driver. Who knows, you might be lucky.
You sure I stand a chance?
Yeah, just give it a try. I can push your name through to the shortlisted for the interview. Okay. Though I can't influence choice. But I strongly believe something positive might come out.
Alright, so let's finish eating and then I will just give it a try. You know, put my CV in and then we'll start from there.
Yeah, man.
Charlie, bouncing. Hi! It's not easy, yo.
Don't worry, everything's gonna be alright. Right?
I'll be in the house thinking and thinking.
Every day in the morning on her way to the office, you can see her as she catches a train.
are you doing? What are you doing?
Sorry, madam. I'm not feeling well.
So why are you here? Why are you at work? You are suspended for 3 weeks without pay.
Madam, I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
Listen, I am not here to take any excuses. Now leave. Now!
Madam, please.
Congratulations, madam. You're warmly welcome.
Thank you. Inform the manager that I'd like to have a meeting with all the departmental heads in the next 30 minutes.
Alright, madam. Please, any other thing?
Get lost. Excellent work. You're a perfect driver.
Thank you.
I'll be here by 8. Ready by 8 tomorrow.
I'll be here, madam.
Nice day. Max? My key.
Sorry. Sorry.
Now you listen to me, idiot. I'm not ready to take such insolence, okay? Don't you push your exit. Get lost.
Well, Sylvia, we just decided to pass by and say hi and then find out how your day has been, being the first day in office.
Dad, it was great. I had a meeting with all the departmental heads. I asked for their files, and by tomorrow, I'll know what to do.
Good. I hope none of the men made advances at you.
Come on, Dad. You should know me by now. But I find the general manager very nice. He's a nice man.
Oh, you mean Kingsley?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Kingsley is a very hard-working young man. He has been very loyal to the company.
Really?
Yes. Very hardworking.
Whatever. But all the same, I think it's best if I get to know him first.
Come on, sister. Don't be sluggish. Listen, if you don't want to be like me, just crawl.
okay? I understand. Okay? Any improvement?
Come on, girls. What are you two trying to hide from me?
Come on, Dad. It's just girl stuff. Okay? It's just girl stuff.
Don't be smart. Just tell me what is going on. Hey. Well, I want you to do your best to put structures in place that will keep the companies running 24 hours. If you're able to make it work, it will be for your own benefit. I'm now going off the road, and you need to take care of whatever I have.
Trust me, Dad. I'll never disappoint you.
Okay. Let's hurry up. I have to go back home.
Dad.
So you can rest, you know?
How come nobody has applied for a loan for the past 2 years?
Well, your father, the chairman of this establishment, has been very generous to everybody, particularly me. He's more, what would I call him, a philanthropist? I think this is one of the major reasons why nobody has thought of taking a loan from the office.
The fact that you don't want a loan doesn't mean the rest of the workers don't want it.
I'm sorry if I gave you the wrong impression. Speaking of loan, yeah, I think Mr. Eddie will do one because the wife happens to be pregnant and very soon she'll go to bed.
I see.
So what I'm going to do is I will inform the rest of the staff members about the new development. Oh, sorry. Go to my office.
Your office? No.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm watching TV. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay. Honey, I still don't agree with the idea of firing Mr. Johnson. I mean, this man has been working his ass for the company for 10 solid years. I mean, you can't just fire him like that.
Well, my king, please change the subject. We're at home. Let's talk about us, okay?
I understand, but I mean, I can't just keep silent as a manager and just watch the man anguish in poverty. I mean, you owe me an explanation.
Is it because you're so close to him, that's why you're looking hurt?
Oh, no, I just need some clarification, that's all.
Fine, I caught him stealing. He's a thief.
How? I mean, how do you explain that?
There's no need for any explanations. The files are already on your desk in your office, okay? He even admitted it and pleaded for deduction of monthly salary.
Oh, I see. I mean, it's still not enough reason for you to sack him. You just have to reconsider.
I was very considerate because I was thinking of his wife and kids. I would have called the police.
The police?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now, would you stop talking about this? Okay, you're here, I'm here. Can't you see the connection? Come on, let's go inside. I wanna feel you.
Yeah, I'm really not in the mood.
Oh, come on, you crazy. Get out. Come on! What is this? What is this?
I'm sorry, madam.
I like my stuff sparkling clean, okay? Very, very clean. The next time I see this on my car, you're fired. Understood?
I'm sorry, madam.
Who is it?
I think it's the chairman.
Let me have it. Let me have it!
You don't talk to me like that, huh?
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
Whatever.
Hello? Dad. I have a very, very busy schedule today. But I can make it over the weekend. Okay, alright. I'll be there. Love you too. Bye.
So what is it with your dad this time?
Business.
Always business. You guys never bring money. Yes, Sylvia, I want to congratulate you for the wonderful job you're doing in the office.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
I've heard a lot. I learned you've put so many things in place and it's working for us. I also heard you have suspended Mrs. Dunfer and then fired Mr. Johnson. Why?
Dad, whatever I do is for the success of this company. Mr. Johnson is a thief. I caught him over invoicing, and when I asked him, he lied, so I fired him. Mrs. Dunfer sleeps all day and does nothing. She's lazy, very lazy, and I hate that. I don't like it.
That's all right, Mr. Johnson. I suspected he was up to something.
Yeah.
So for him, I don't have any problem. But for Mrs. Dunfer, I think that you need to reconsider your decision. You know, she's a married woman, and she's been in the company for so many years. She has contributed her quota to the growth of the company. And so if anything at all, you need to reconsider her.
Dad, that's her character. Sylvia. She sleeps all day and does nothing.
Sister, you have to consider her looking at her age. Please, you have to be considerate.
You know, as a married woman.
Dad, at some point in time in our life, everybody gets married and they still work.
Yes. You will understand when you get there. I know her plight. You see, a married woman with kids, taking care of the home, the husband, and everything, and coming to work, it's not easy. So sometimes you need to overlook certain things. All I want to do is to reconsider her and then call her back.
Fine, point well taken.
Anyway, Dad, I've prepared your favorites. I mean, shall we go dine together? You're silly.
It's okay, stop crying. Master's not lost, okay?
Are you telling me you don't know where my brother is?
I wish I knew where that guy is. That dude is mad. But hey, you know what? You just go home, okay? I'm also going to mount a manhunt for him. I'm going to search for him whatever I can do to help. Just stop crying. I know we're going to find him and we'll bring him back home, okay?
Please find him for me. It's all I have now. Please.
Don't worry, Mavis. Okay? Come on, wipe your tears. Don't let people outside see you in tears.
Thank you.
We're going to look for him, okay? And we're going to make sure we get in and we'll bring him back home. Hmm?
Thank you.
I know you love your brother so much. And he loves you, but hey, he will surely be home. Hmm?
I hope so.
All right.
Thank you.
Say hi to your mom for me, okay?
I will. Thank you.
Yeah. Right now, every tongue and every corner, every gangster, every rude boy, every shotter, every community worldwide. Right now, the one that come lock the world. TOK, full time, Akon.
You get a life in a nice, it is not a paradise.
Maxi, my brother. That has been a character.
And you of all people should have known her better.
Me, I'm thinking of quitting.
I can't stand it. I can't stand it. Charlie, small say no, she gets fired up. He charges you, insult you plenty. Look at something thin like that. You have no choice, Max.
Pissed off, sir.
Have you forgotten how you struggled to get this job? Look, just maintain your calmness and everything will fall in place.
For how long are you going to be in this slavery? When at all are you going to get out?
Small girl, no.
Look at her. And that our age group guy manager, who also not help us in any way.
What would you have done if you were to be in his shoes? You would do the same thing. That guy is in love now.
Which love? Is this what they call love? Eddie, I've been driving them every day. The guy is just squandering the girl's money. Charlie.
Anyway, before I forget, your kid sister was here and she looks so worried. On a more serious note, Max, don't you think it's about time you let them know you're here with me?
Eddie, I want to get somewhere. I just started work. Let me get to some level. When I go back home, I go with something. They will respect me.
And she also said there's this lady who's looking for you desperately.
Oh, forget. Let me focus. Women, no go for me now. When I get there, all these problems will solve.
Maxi.
Yes, sir.
Who is that girl?
Oh, forget.
Strawberry driver.
You will drive me and concentrate on the high motorway speed, music loud. You go,
one spaghetti, one straw.
This be love. They chop the woman money, you say it's love. Why you crooked? I'm just on the top.
Good.
What's this?
I smoke.
Told you, I don't like this.
What's you almost threw it out to the swimming pool.
Well, I wish I'd fallen in the pool.
What's your problem?
The chairman wants to see you badly.
What about?
Are you scared?
No, I mean, the chairman has never sent for me like this before.
Maybe it's because you haven't shown up.
Showing up for what?
Us? Duh.
Oh, boo-boo, I didn't see that coming. So, when do you say we go see Chairman?
You're the boss.
All right, I say we go see him next week.
It's too far.
All right, okay. We see him right now.
No.
So you stop your blah, 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 blah.
Okay. Come here.
Yeah.
Come here.
Hold on.
You're crazy. You're crazy.
Thank you, Jim. Take a seat. My heart is gladdened to know that my daughter has found happiness in you.
Thank you, sir. I'm most grateful.
And I hope and believe that you will take very good care of her. You know, she's so close to my heart.
I promise to do my best not to disappoint you and the rest of the family.
Okay. Well, when you're ready for the marriage rite, let me know.
I'll certainly do that, sir. Thank you, Chairman.
Okay. Any other thing?
No, Dad.
Okay. We'll talk again.
All right, then I guess I should be on my way.
Dad, I'm seeing you off.
Okay, thank you very much. Right.
Hello, Tangerine baby. What's poppin'? What's good? Yes, Mom. I'm sorry I couldn't come home to eat your palatable soup last night. Yes, I'm in the gym right now working out to build some muscle so I could come eat your soup tonight. Yes, Mother. You've always told me you love me ever since I was a child. I'm also saying I love you too, Mama. All right. Bye-bye, Mama.
Who was that?
That was my mother. I'm home.
I don't believe you.
Oh, come on. Quit the jealousy. That was my mom. Anyway, you just, let me help you.
No, you don't talk to your mom like that.
All right, you just go on that thing and give me the Beyonce shirt. You know what I'm saying?
See? I'm not.
Ooh, you're not properly dressed. All right, let me help you with some drink, huh?
Who are you really talking to?
Oh, come on, babes. That was my mom. Cheers. Anyway, since you're not dressed, you're not needed here. So you go now and let me take.
No.
I see you, right? Do my thing. Love you.
Fine. Just tell your mom I said hi, and next time she calls back.
All right, I see she calls.
Guess I'm on my way, needing a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you today. Guess I'm on my way, and I'll be glad to stay. Oh, I'm leaving on that midnight train tomorrow, and I know just where I'm going. And I throw them
you burn. Oh, hear me now. Don't you burn your bridges down. Keep talking to you. Don't you burn. Oh, hear me now. Don't you burn your bridges down. Get it in you. You run gone left you old gal. Say you find a new gal. You run gone left you old gal. Say you find a new gal. Tony. It's better to be faithful than to be ungrateful, Lord Peter. You think that she would be sorry now the girl is getting married? Don't you burn? Oh, hear me now. Don't you burn your bridges down? Even talking to you. Don't you burn? Oh, hear me now. Don't you burn your bridges down? Get it in your Don't you burn your bridges behind you. You might wanna turn and to come back again. The bridge you burn today, you may need it again. 'Cause tomorrow might bring sorrow. Don't you burn? Ooh, you me now. Don't you burn your bridges down? Even talking to you. Don't you burn? Ooh, you me now. Don't you burn your bridges down? Get it in your You run gone left your old friends. Said you find some new friends. Run gone left you old friends. Said you find some new friends. Whoa, massa. We still lay up on the corner. I drink with sugar and water. Massa. We love the roots and culture. We now run left Jamaica. Don't you burn?
Really?
Yeah.
I bought it from a brewery.
Wow. Well, big sis, have you really taken your time to assess the man you want to get married to?
Oh, come on, what kind of question is that? Of course I have.
And you think he loves you?
Yeah. I've been in this company for the past 6 months as the director. He's a good gentleman. He's loving. Why, any doubts about him?
Listen, you are my only sister. I will advise you to take your time and assess him thoroughly before you give out your heart.
And my heart is already given out. I'm in love with him, and nothing can change it. Are you jealous?
What are you talking about? Me jealous?
Yes, you are. You're jealous.
Of course I'm not, and you know that. Well, I know I'm psychologically derailed as much as relationships are concerned. But it's my dream to see my lovely sister happily married to a man that she loves. That is why I'm cautioning you to be extra careful. Okay? I don't mean any harm.
Okay, I'm sorry.
That's alright. Anyway, I have to go.
How?
Yeah, I have to go and cook for the old man.
Okay, let me call the driver to come pick.
No need. You know, I have to pass to one boutique, Geneva, message there. I mean, run some few errands before I go home.
Exactly why I have to call the driver to come pick you.
No need. Okay?
But the driver works. That's his job.
It's alright. I'll take care of that. Don't worry.
No,
I'll see you. Come on. I'll see you. Bye-bye.
Madam, I think you should know about this. I overheard the manager talking to somebody about some contract, and I smell foul deal.
Are you sure?
Yeah, basically because they said the contract could be signed today, and then the money will be transferred into a different account. This is the account number.
Where did you get this?
He mistakenly left it in the car.
Do you mind for lunch?
That's all right, Jenny.
Thank you.
Hi, boo-boo. Come on, man. What's up? What's up?
Don't you boo-boo me.
Well, we have a situation. What is the problem?
I just found out that Mr. Bidiakon is a very good friend of yours in the company, and the collateral he presented was forged.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Of course you don't understand. Explain to me why the company's registered accounts were attached to a new name, Samuel Asari. Huh? You can't talk? Kinsley, I trusted you. I trusted you so much. Why? Why did you do this to me? Why? I'm so disappointed.
I'm sorry. That's not what you think. I can really explain that. I'm sorry.
You're fired.
You're kidding me, right?
No. You're fired.
I mean,
What? You don't get it? You want me to scream? Okay, fine. You're fired, okay? You are fired.
you're just gonna look into my face and fire me like that?
Yes!
Not even call me or write a formal letter to tell me I'm fired? After what we've been through, you're just gonna fire me?
Let go of me. Now you have 30 minutes to get your staff out of this company. Now, get out. Get out! I keep on falling. And I love with you. Sometimes
I'm sorry for putting you through this.
Don't worry, it's okay. At least you saved me from losing that huge amount of money. You need to be rewarded. Go to my father's house and get me my sister.
I don't know the place. Can you give me the directions?
Are you saying you don't know the chairman's house?
No, you've never taken me there before.
Fine. I'll call her. Just go. You're done for today.
The keys.
Take it. I'll see you.
A new commandment has been released unto the big prophet. Thou shalt do the dance.
Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. Dry your tears. Just thank your stars that he's been exposed. He would have had more under his sleeves than before. It's alright. Okay? Just take it easy.
You don't understand. I opened an account. 20,000 Ghanaian cedis in his name.
Jesus Christ! Sylvia! How could you do that?
Love. Love. It's all in the name of love. This stupid feeling called love. Crazy feeling called love.
Oh my God. It's alright. I know what love can do. It's okay. Listen. I understand. I know what love can do. It's alright. Stop crying. Listen, you just take your time and explain things to Daddy. I believe that he would understand. Okay?
Okay.
Come on, it's alright. I mean, cheer up. These things happen. Love can do so many silly things.
Wow. So you fired the general manager?
Yes, Dad, I did.
I see. I thought you were getting well.
Dad, we were, but I lost him. And I had no other choice.
I see. Don't you think he needs redress?
No! He's a thief, Dad. And a threat to the society. No, there's no way I'm gonna think of him.
Yeah, I know. So, what are you going to do with the vacant positions?
Dad, I've assigned deputies to take over until substantive members or persons are appointed and confirmed by the board.
That's nice. That's an excellent decision. And don't you think the driver needs to be?
Well, I haven't thought about that. But of course, he's an employee of the company, so I'll think about it.
Sylvia, there is no need thinking about this. This man has done a great job, and he needs to be encouraged.
Okay, fine. I'll give him something. I'll take care of it. Don't worry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay?
That's fine.
I really appreciate your efforts. You make me proud. But I like your confidence.
Thanks, Dad.
Let's continue, okay?
Thank you.
Can I have a look at the picture? Move it.
Yeah.
Hey, Eddie.
Ma.
What's up? I got good news for you, huh? Have it up. say that?
You can't believe this. 5,000 Ghana cedis was put into my account today. For doing what? For helping the company save some money.
What?
Yeah.
Maxie, I told you.
Charlie?
Man, I'm so happy for you.
I don't know. I don't know what to do with the money.
Invest it into another business. Don't forget where you're coming from, Max.
And who's going to manage it?
Your kid sister, of course. Or better still, your mom can take care of that. Max, look, I think it's high time you reconcile with your family. Don't you think so?
I guess you're right, man. I mean, that's good advice. I need to get back home, right?
Welcome, my brother.
Tell one thing for sure. Tomorrow, please help me say thank you to my madam.
Slimenga.
What's up?
We can do that at the office tomorrow. But in the meantime, man, I am hungry.
You don't have a problem, my brother. No more kenke, no more that bachelor food you guys do. I mean, today is some Chinese.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. Frog legs for starters and some sweet and sour soup, something.
So right now you've crossed the kinky borderline into Chinese land.
Come, let's go. Let me go and change it. Let's get out of here.
Look at this one, it's a mega driver.
Whoa, Charlie.
Let me take my trousers so that we could get something better to eat. Thank you so much for selling this contract. I'm looking forward for a good partnership, Miss Bosman.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lawrence.
No, the name is Desmond.
Okay. All right, Desmond.
Yeah.
I think your company deserved this contract because of their standard of execution and alacrity.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
I promise to keep it up all the time.
Okay. What is it? What is it?
Please, Mr. Wisdom is here to see you.
Are you blind? Are you not blind to see there's someone here? Can't you see? What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry, madam.
Calm down. It's okay, you know. All secretaries are the same.
You don't understand, Mr. Desmond? Yes. This one is different. I'm very sorry for the interruption. I think we're done here.
Yeah.
I'll see you next week for commencement.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Miss Boston. That looks right.
Mr. Wisdom.
Yes?
What time is it? We booked an appointment for 10 a.m. and it's past midday already. I'm sorry. I just signed a deal with the gentleman who just left.
What? That's not fair.
Well, I'm very sorry. We don't accept likeness in our dealings. That's the door. Good day. Nonsense. Jen? Benny? Yeah? Me considering a man in my life is rather silly for me. I can't stand the pressure from the woman. It's too much.
Well, I think so because you're not getting any younger. Besides, you're the director of the company and you need to gain the respect that the old man is looking for. I mean, you have to be responsible, you know.
But I'm jinxed and confused. I don't want to get my heart broken again.
Come on. You taught me how to forget about the past and gave me hope in everything I do. So why are you now talking as if you've lost hope in men?
I think there's something wrong with us. Don't you think so? Because all your dreams are shattered because of love, and now is my turn.
Come on. Don't bring superstition into this. I made a mistake for letting him go without letting him know how I feel about him. But I know one day I will find him and let him know how I feel. Okay? And I know that he would definitely accept me. So, if you should find a man, give it a try, at least for a second chance. Yep.
Well, I have found someone. Blazing in my eyes.
And who is that?
He's a very kind and noble gentleman. I have found love in him, and I hope he feels the same.
Wow. Well, your instincts are not deceiving you. I mean, you know how to grab him. So why waste time? Go ahead and grab him. Come on. Wow.
Are you done?
Don't cease to amaze me. I'm not.
Okay, I'm gonna get myself a drink. I'm thirsty. You want something?
Yeah, this is.
Okay.
I'm getting hungry. What? Water? No, I sent a biscuit. Wow. You found out so easy.
Good afternoon, Miss Bossman.
Yes?
You're looking gorgeous today. Off to a place.
Yes. I'm going for lunch. Any problem?
I have this for you. Anyway, I have a confession to make. I'm in love with you.
You what?
I love you.
What insolence. Look at you. Look at all that. This. Have you actually assessed yourself before coming to tell me you love me? Have you?
Of course, yes.
Really? If you don't get out of here now, out of my premises, something will happen to you. Get out.
All right. I'll give you some time to think about this.
No.
I'm thinking about you. Girl, I miss you. Baby, ever since that day you went away, yes, I can't live without you. You're always on my mind. You're always on my
wondering what it is to stray on this girl before. This must be hands and top hands. Up against me, the man time she put to one. This is over one to have and to oh warm and the time is come. Figure play the gangster, we play the tone. Who she got me, back me body like I don't look at me. Stop from chat me, and I make you mine. Yeah, yeah, and that's just sunshine. Yeah. Sure I'm gonna make you mine. Yeah, no end to life. Saw this girls and I can't stop. Should be me. But charm never saw it. How could it be? From a distance, an instant. Earlier I'm in a response, in a assistant. Why? Mine. Yeah, yeah, sunshine. This is the love I want to keep me warm and down. Ready to go play. No matter me we play. Whoa, she got to take over. No, look.
What do you want to see?
I'm so especially sick. You know, Desmond is strong. I never knew his son as demise. He was in business. He tried. I hope he's.
Of course, Dad. Okay.
Dad, for your engagement.
You are
Let's do.
Happy for you.
Je vis de ce bel que tes bûches dans son sang.
There we go.
Right?
Okay.
Seriously, thank you so much, Dad. And so
That is for the children. It's not wasting money. You're a special child. Not that's something like this.
Wow, wonderful person. Wow. Oh, Dad. Searching for the right person.
Sweetie, my dad has take care of the expense.
No, he shouldn't do. I am the one to do that. Why did you tell him?
No, I didn't. He and your dad were busy. Told me about that. You never told me they were busy.
Yes, they were. They've been together.
And you hid that from me?
Look, honey, it's got nothing to do with Allah. Besides, you I want, not the.
I'll allow you to spend the passport. Just allow him to foot them. And then we can save them in the future.
I agree with you, but I can't let him build. Besides, expunging our Switzerland.
You don't?
Do.
You don't?
I do.
Really? I love you. You're gonna make us fall. You're gonna make us fall.
Oh, okay.
Am
I crazy?
Yeah.
Because I love you.
Is that Jennifer?
Who am I speaking with?
Fortunate you don't even recognize me. Anyway, I just got. Hope you're fine.
I'm good.
Bye.
Hello? Just called. Miss, excuse me.
Mr. Jenny, what's the
You just called me and the voice.
The what?
That is what I'm trying to do. The phone is off. Oh my God. It's off.
Are you sure it's my brother?
Yeah. Maxwell.
Not really. He sent some money through. I got home and my mom, his friend's a driver in a company.
Wait, which company is that?
She forgot about. That is in the central region.
Wait. This friend of your brother for me. Of the company. I travel.
I'll do that. Oh, God.
Don't try it.
Smile. Yeah, I'll be there.
Oh my. Wow. Can't wait to get.
What? After the board finds you as the only person to fill that position, it will help improve little experience.
Promise to do my best, boss. Once again, let me say education.
You're welcome. Your wife delivered?
No.
I see.
Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Really? Thank you.
Came from the office.
See?
Yeah.
What? Wow. What? What is it?
Yes.
Tell me. Come on, please. Our engagement. Wow.
Would you like it?
Yeah.
Then I have to rush back to the office.
Oh, you're not.
Oh, babe.
Are you not supposed to?
You have a board meeting. I'm going to be one.
Good to reject my offer.
No, I'll see you tomorrow.
No.
You never give up.
Oh, that was what I was thought.
Alright, I'll see you tonight. Yeah. Yeah, good.
Okay.
I'll see you tonight.
Maxwell say you from Wako Tete. Me, oh, homo.
Blames on Mas. You say him after the house so much. He was.
I didn't let you grow.
That's not enough reason for you to.
Being a mother, see that happen. I said that.
Mom, it's alright. Alright. There is no need. I pray that God will for my trip. I believe I will see. Okay. I'm sure he's.
I hope so. So, my daughter.
Maggie! Edible!
Z! Maxi! Maxi! Guess again!
Like, come on, tell me
Z! What?
or something.
Sound of Vulatan.
Hey! I've been dead!
You don't mean. You deserve it, you man. It's nothing.
He has decided to get me a payment.
Wow.
I mean, in no time and a bigger place.
My goodness.
A bigger place.
Oh, good. What happens?
This thing. The boss, so they are quite that you live here with me.
She doesn't put up some cupboard somewhere. She doesn't.
Just tell her that, well, it's not good. So get you a new apartment so they can get it.
Listen to me now. Now that her word, she's always like, listen to anybody.
Yeah. That brings to mind. You think it's about time you settle? Listen up with age.
At least let me. Woman will come. Please. You don't know.
Yeah.
What shall I?
Are you done with the letters I asked you to type? So what are you keeping them for? Mother, come drink. It's alright. And hurry up. Hello? Yes? Okay.
Someone with an amount of
100,000. How?
person to explain to do with business. Husband guilty. He accepts taking the.
Okay. Can I please see him?
Sure.
Same to both of you at it. Sad that my son involved in such. Well, I blame you so much because it's in business or lose. I'll let you off there.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
You can pick a check from tomorrow. A lot of.
Thank you very much.
You from further embarrassment to fly out of this canal. The tension calm down, right?
So sorry for them.
Get up. It's not for next time. Just, alright?
Give us the boss. I'm here to see.
Please, your name. Just a second. A man is here to see you.
Come in.
Although you're right. You're welcome.
Morning. That's right.
Right. Thank you. I'm most grateful. Thank you.
Twist and you a twirl. I say, say, walk, look cross and look Monday. Girl, I'm gonna make you Monday. As long as just one day. Sure, I'm gonna one day. There's no end to money. Sad man, arms and I can't. That should be me. Strangers.
When I'm eating anyone and making love.
She's got this is the love of stupid.
Living alone, our things I've known. I'll tell that is home. Oh, by me, don't wanna be by me. You so distant and
instant girl, I'm in a response to the resistance. Why you mind? This is the love I want to keep me warm and
making love, those days are gone.
Brothers,
that one, if you want the pink also.
Good afternoon. Just one
do is to invite and warn anybody. He will lose his job. You threaten him. I will take over from you. You will fly outside. You need some time. I will inform him to you. And then sure, you don't tell anything. Cheer up. In life, we have some opinions. In life, get over it soon. Cheer up. It's okay, it's okay.
Let me just...
Je rêve son visage encore, et puis ton monde et ton qualité. Comment il fallait penser, comment font ces autres filles, qu'on me dise même si même mon cœur, j'ai tout donné.
And for your drink? No, but this is very healthy.
Take it.
Nice. Well, yes, if you don't mind that, Jetri this thing.
Take it away.
Very...
Health.
Yeah, pharmacy.
Tu sens dans mes songes, des larmes.
Put it right there.
Please don't put in another inside. And thank you.
L'enfant sur un banc, ma vie paisible où je fais que quand le présage des malheurs me répond au pays. S'il suffisait, on s'aime, s'il suffisait, j'ai les choses, rien qu'en aimant. S'il suffisait, on s'aime, s'il suffisait, je ferais suffisait d'aimer, l'on pouvait chose et tout. S'il suffisait, serait vain. S'il suffisait. You're my life, everything that break my heart, and it's true. Never knew like this. You're the real. Now I find love overwhelmed with so blessed close that I love. Though the future much for you, who could love you more? Aim to help my angel, I create me glad when you smile, and to see moments that you are a spark. Never really I live his eyes, my own young before could ever love more.
I brought...
Max? I appreciate all the attention. I stayed.
I don't want you to mess it up with drink. Express myself.
Okay.
Necessary.
I'll come off it. You're deceitful, you're lying.
You know, you give your heart. Emotions control your brain. It's inside, so let me see.
Trees, roses, see them bloom for you. To my hand, what a world.
Had a nice time. I just thank God I found you. It took too much time. But I guess it was worth it.
He's crying.
I may not have expensive things, but it's valuable and never laid eyes on.
You're moved, but I love you so. No, and I'm taking to.
You can be serious.
Oh, come on. Been giving me?
Show me how much you love me. Come on.
To think of that.
Much more, and I think myself, wonderful world. I think myself, wonderful.
regards to that. All right. Bye. Thanks.
So what do you think?
To accept him. You can't tell me you have lied. For God's sake, what about you?
Anything you want to say. What do you think? Maxwell is a lovely and caring Dad, and I found happiness. And Dad, please, Dad, you have to help me make this. Have yielded no one. Nature prepared him.
Serious to think about it. And how do you will accept him? Look at your status, driver. Look about it, my dear. Special about this boy.
It's love. Yes. And love is a great first. Please, make this come. I love him.
All right. If you could think it.
When is Jenny coming back?
Oh, she's...
And that wedding's still home. Maxwell will just follow the positions. I swear, it's gonna be a... And everyone. I'll be in the kitchen. Thank you. My father has approved of
Listen, I'm not ready. Listen, I need to go and to set a date.
that. I've already made an arrangement to give to your relatives. And besides, to get you your suit for the wedding.
You own?
Yeah.
Your tenant is...
She's a very hard worker. She's sweet. Hello? Hey, little sis. I'm fine, and you? Okay. Okay, alright. No, come see you at the airport. Forever. I'll see you soon. Okay, bye. My kid sister?
Kid sister?
Well, she's coming because of our wedding. Just questions. Eat. Eat.
I know it's one of you. What is happening? Wow, that's really nice. Hi. Yeah. Really?
Dad, you nothing. Joking.
I was expecting you to enjoy so expensive things. This is
Thank
good.
you.
Good.
Well, Dad, I enjoyed it. I mean, going for seeing different things.
You like to go?
Today, Dad.
She got me this wedding suit for my husband.
How's it going to be?
Yes.
Nice. Oh, you have it.
And that's not the only thing. And she got me jewelry, she got me thing for the wedding, and I checked inside there and see for myself that
she was going to like this.
You know her taste.
I have to go and check it out. Bye, Dad.
You're welcome.
And that's my kid sister. What's wrong? How could you be so impressed? I'm overwhelmed. Insensitive. You showed out there. Yeah. I thought you were happy relationships I've been through.
You're so wicked and mean, and I guess.
Why can't I introduce my fiancé? What is me introducing my fiancé?
Yeah, you are a hypocrite. Oh, he was. But what? You hate him just
fucking crazy. Papa confidence director, and you want to fall in love. What's wrong with that? Beef.
You are a hypocrite. Okay, do about Maxwell. I've been dying for all my wonder your heart is full.
He never proposed. And besides, he now you.
You know what you are? You were a serpent. That's what you are. If you don't my love, then that he is the love.
Okay? Because he won, and there is no way to break us. Okay?
Sylvia, give peace a chance. No remorse. To me and listen to me well. I'm not ready to lose him. I will go every length. It's for my love
that I seek. I have a boyfriend, okay? Okay? Don't you?
You promised me for now. Without a trace, I keep searching all to know. Well, I know you. Love is a great loving.
I hate
you. And if I can't have you, else we'll break over roses.
Max, what have you done?
Jennifer never told me she loved me.
If she these presents, I told you to reason. I felt there is
Mom, solve the problem now. Because now that's you, and I don't know which side. I'm confused.
To tell you the truth, mind. And there's nothing.
Maxwell! Max!
It's a great thing. Love is a danger. I'm way alone. I can't see. No will leak through the wall of roses. I'm gonna prove the walls. Gonna break over.
Another game done. Thinking of playing tennis. I don't know. How long are you going to be tennis? About this whole stuff, I think there's so much pain in it. You must be. If you should ask me, Eddie, 2 days to go. Dear, I can't call it quits. Max. But I never proposed. Know what that girl was driving at. Spoke with her yesterday. She was in so much pain. Go every length. You better be careful. Okay. The wedding should come. Well, don't say I didn't want.
To me, girls, I did the two of you. To look at some of these years go in vain. Disgrace you are bringing upon this family.
Dad, I've done nothing wrong, and you need to keep the good name of this family. You have to respect, and not that's not her.
Please, I am fighting for my Fortuna Satan.
You are a liar.
Wait. I never knew you were. I hate you.
Hear yourself out. Can't you think upon this family? Insult that it I will not solve any. Now, to embarrassment. Advise that you let Eddie. After all, there's no need for a man. Can't you think?
Excuse me. Hey, Sylvia!
Max, my eyes. Tell me that you don't love me.
Even if I did, I never proposed to you.
The promise. Have you forgotten about the promise?
What promise is that?
Oh, you seem to have forgotten. Promise me that you are not going to what? Our friendship will last and last till eternity.
I mean, what have
What you have? You're going to be with me. So
Jennifer,
why?
To stay by you forever. You remember?
Maxwell, for you. I bought you your. You parked from your house without. I searched, but I couldn't find you. We employed your sister, and so. Please.
I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. Apologize. Truth be told, love with your sister. I can't love you. A true friend.
It would be disastrous if I would never let.
I've told you. We have only 2 days for.
Baby, I'm scared. Postpone this wedding.
What? There is no way a wedding. What are you
saying? Sister. She is danger prone to be monitored.
Do you?
No.
Then why?
Bottom line is, I met her. She's been so good.
She never proposed to her. So what's her worry? Alright, okay, fine, I'll talk. She needs to be stopped.
I want you to be sorry.
I'll think about it. Okay. Yeah, I promise. I mean, do.
Wait later in the morning.
Oh,
come on.
What are you talking about?
Wait.
Damn, I gotta do you, baby.
What's wrong with
you? I was gonna be worse than this.
No Carlos and disrespect. I'm terribly disappointed, but done against my word. Oh, I've labored in vain. You are the man on board. Accusing you of promising her. You two in any relationship,
but very platonic.
And so you.
Mr. Bossman, a witness to all. And Jenny, very close, so close, something more to it. I asked very.
What do you have to say?
Nothing.
Nothing. Then this behavior is how you have grown up like empty vessel with no sister.
I am very sorry.
You're forgiven. You still hold bridesmaid on my wedding day. And I want dinner tonight, tomorrow. Great.
Don't worry. I mean. Too out. It's out. It's out to be the.
Would you let me toast you?
To a wonder.
To first.
No, I don't toast you.
Alright, okay, so cute.
Why are you not drinking? Today's my special day.
Wow. And today, you breathe no more. Sylvia, never cared about my feeling. All you cared about trust, joy. Yes. Today, I'm fed. Come on, drink. And to you, Maxwell, this is your punishment for breaking that promise and you look so stupid. Together.
keep searching, searching.